Want to create this stunning light sweep animation on your text in CapCut? It looks professional, it's easy to make, and I'll show you every step in just a few minutes.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Let's get started. I already have a background video here, so I'll extend it to 14 seconds. Go to Text, then Add Text, type your own text, and choose any font you like. Extend the text layer to 13 seconds. Now scroll down to Glow and choose Radiating Glow. Adjust the intensity and range until you're happy with the look, and keep the Y offset at 0 degrees. Next, enable a keyframe for the X offset and move the playhead to the beginning of the text layer. Drag the X offset all the way to the left. Now move the playhead 3 seconds forward and drag the X offset all the way to the right. This creates a smooth light sweep across the text. It already looks great, but let's make it even better. Select both X offset keyframes. Right-click on one of them. Then click Show All Presets. For this effect, I'll choose Ease because it creates a smooth, natural light sweep across the text. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, a quick like really helps the channel. While you're still at the 3-second mark, add keyframes for both intensity and range. Move the playhead to 5 seconds, then reduce both intensity and range to 0. Now let's gradually change the text color. At the same 5-second mark, add a keyframe for text color. Move the playhead to 9 seconds. Then gradually change the text color to green, or any color you prefer. Now move forward 1 frame and split the text layer. Select the text layer on the right, then change its glow from Radiating Glow to Outer Glow. With the playhead at the beginning of this second text layer, add keyframes for text color, intensity, and range. Move to the middle of the second text layer. Change the text color to a full green, then reduce both intensity and range to 0. Finally, let's animate the text. Select the first text layer. Go to Animation, then In. Choose any animation you like and set the duration to 1.5 seconds. Now select the second text layer. Go to Animation, then Out. Choose an animation that fits your style and set its duration to 0.5 seconds. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional-looking text light animation that you can use for intros, titles, or social media videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, you'll definitely enjoy my Mirror Text Effect tutorial. It looks amazing, it's easy to create, and I'll show you exactly how to make it. Click the video on your screen, and I'll see you there.